Best Gaming Chair 2022. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. So today's video is going to be about the best gaming chair of 2022. Also, links are given below in the description box. So without further delay, let's start our video. Sit back and enjoy. Number 1. Secretlab TITAN Evo. Anyone who spends a lot of time sitting at a desk understands the value of a good chair. A stiff back or the requirement to constantly correct your posture only highlights this. With the updated Secretlab TITAN Evo 2022, one of the best gaming chairs on the market has been followed by Secretlab. Although it's designed for gamers, there's no reason you can't also use it as a chair for your home office. Cheap chairs are all over, but they frequently sacrifice quality in the form of shoddy construction, materials, or designs. It is undoubtedly an investment to upgrade to a high-quality chair like the TITAN Evo 2022, but your back and butt will appreciate it in the long run. The largest model in the TITAN Evo line is the Secretlab TITAN Evo XL. More significant people will find it to be a great option because it has a seat base that is wider and deeper than the small and regular versions, a higher backrest, and a load rating of 180 kilograms, or 396 pounds. After 3 years of using the same gaming chair, upgrading to the TITAN Evo 2020 XL improved almost every way. The reviewer's small office space was a problem due to its physical size, but the adjustability and ergonomics are excellent. It felt natural to participate in video conferences, at work, or to type at a desk. As someone who occasionally experiences lower back discomfort while seated in a chair or car seat, the three-dimensional lumbar support customization and sweet spot recline level provided yours honestly with impressively body-hugging support. Number 2. Secretlab Omega. Its premium faux leather pillows will make your bed jealous, and armrest control that will make you rethink chairs will provide you with another justification for spending hours in front of the computer. It's a treat that tops our list of the best gaming seats, thanks to a detailed list of adjustments and plush-feeling leather. But our elbows could use a little more padding. The Omega 2020 chair I reviewed has the stealth design, black with red stitching and gold and white logos on the front and back. Since the 2020 logo on the backrest will only be relevant for 1 year, I found it amusing. The branding is what really stands out in this straightforward design. There are other design options though. Secretlab went to the lab to create a Secretlab signature memory foam to make the pillows. This includes a cooling gel to help you stay calm and dissipate heat. They are not just fluffy pillows. Even when you're down to your last few hit points, they're more malleable while remaining firmer than other pillows that come with gaming chairs. Secretlab includes a large 30.5 by 26 inches shiny poster board with instructions to help you along the way during assembly. There are some of the most builder-friendly instructions we've seen, thanks to their jumbo size, clear English, and color pictures. The seat can be adjusted from lower to higher, 18 to 21.5 inches, using a lever, but I wish it could go even lower. The tilt lock, which allows the seat to tilt back when you lean back, is activated and disabled by a lever on the left side of the seat. I could live without this feature because it took a lot of force to tilt the chair with my weight. The warranty for the Omega 2020 is 3 years, but if you're willing to post publicly about your chair within a year of purchase on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, you can increase that warranty to 5 years. Number 3. Razer Enki. With the Enki, Razer went above and beyond to balance comfort and style. It has a wide range of adjustments, solid lumbar support, soft leathers, and soft materials. It is also expensive but stylish, making it a worthwhile investment in a chair that will last a long time and keep your back in good shape. Some distinguishing characteristics of the Enki chair make it stand out from the competition. First, the lower lumbar support incorporated into this chair is one of its distinctive features. Most gaming chairs on the market have a removable external foam pillow for your back. The Enki is straightforward to put together. Very few parts are required, and the instructions are so simple to understand that very few words are necessary to describe the procedure. Although the seat and back of the Enki is substantial, there is just enough plushness to allow you to sink into them. It is intended that the integrated lumbar support will reduce sitting fatigue through optimal weight distribution. I believe this concept mainly works, but since not all backs are created equal, it would have been more effective to allow some lumbar support adjustments. Typically, the pillows on gaming chairs are made of the same material as the rest of the seats, but Razer's decision to use a piece of different fabric and stuffing shows that comfort and quality were their top concerns. This chair's armrest can be adjusted in various ways, just like the Lick Shoes opens a new window tab. The armrest positions from left to right, forward to back, and height can all be adjusted using buttons. You will have to pay $399 for the Enki gaming chair, which is a price that is challenging to swallow. Number 4. Corsair T3 Rush. Construction for the Corsair T3 Rush is not too complex. Everything you need to assemble is included in the relatively large box, including a quirky little hex key / screwdriver combo tool that I will definitely keep for future use. The chair is available in gray and white, like our review unit, and other colors like charcoal or charcoal and gray. These options are equally attractive chairs that blend in with most setups and aesthetics. The chair's soft, breathable covering, which looks great and works to keep the temperature stable more effectively than any leather, plays a significant role in this. The armrests are actually hard-wearing but soft cushions, even though they resemble carbon fiber weave in appearance. They are incredibly comfortable, highly adjustable, and feel just as sturdy as the rest of the chair. The casters, frequently a weak point in inexpensive gaming chairs, performed equally well over the thick carpet or wood flooring, moving quickly while maintaining stability. Overall, everything feels excellent. Nothing creaks and nothing has changed after more than a month of daily use at least 8 hours. The Corsair T3 Rush has the comfort of a high-end chair without the high cost. The same tactic used by classic car manufacturers, using high-quality materials and high-touch areas while saving money in low-touch areas, applies here. This chair is valued at $320 or £299 because it's comfortable enough to sit in for hours on end and feels excellent to touch. I love the cloth covering because it keeps the room comfortable. The chair has a more understated appearance than most, fitting in well with a multi-purpose space and suitable for gamers and home workers. All I would change is that I wish I had lumbar support built in. Number 5. DXRacer Master. The DXRacer Master is marketed as a gaming chair and looks like one. However, it also shares many characteristics with operator chairs. That is the elegant term for pricey office chairs. Despite being relatively expensive, it frees you from the tacky strap-on neck and lumbar pillows that come with almost every gaming chair. The back of the DXRacer Master features a sliding headrest and an integrated adjustable lumbar support system. All the standard features are found in higher-end gaming chairs, such as dual recline. You can sit in a more relaxed position without simply slouching in the seat because the base and the back can tilt independently. Whether it's an entire workday or just hours spent playing a game to gradually improve your short-sightedness, the DXRacer Master is a good fit for prolonged periods spent seated in front of a monitor. We know some of you will want something different from what the DXRacer Master offers. The padding at the base is quite firm. This benefits your health as a better mattress is generally preferable to a highly soft mattress. However, many prefer softer mattresses, just as many favor seat padding that feels as though it will hug their butts in support. Simply put, the DXRacer Master way is not that. This fashion goes well with the somber demeanor. If sitting in a chair with overtly plush feeling padding is less important to you than avoiding the agony of lower back pain, you should consider purchasing one. Number 6. Amazon Basics. The Amazon Basics gaming chair comes equipped with adjustable armrests, lumbar and neck cushions, and the perfect amount of size. It accomplishes this for about half as much as a comparable DXRacer or Maxonomic chair. Amazon Basics offers a much smaller selection than those high-end brands. Only one model has red, white, and blue variations. The plastic base and rollers immediately stood out as the cheapest parts during assembly. I can happily confirm that the floor is sturdier than it appears, making it solely a matter of aesthetics. This is after several lengthy gaming sessions, including daring tests of the reclining features limits. The remainder is standard fare. The handle for adjusting the seat's elevation is located just off the right hip, and the seat peak is controlled by a lever under the seat near the right rear. The polyurethane wrapped foam armrests have numerous positions that can be adjusted to fit most desk heights. They are close together, which could be a problem for players with wide stances. Take note if your mousepad is an XL Plus model. Most exposed areas of the metal frame or mechanisms are covered with functional and standard PVC shields. Despite the wrong first impression, rolling the chair around the room is simple, even on carpet, which is another advantage of the base. So that wraps up today's video, guys. Hope you all liked the video. If so, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel too. So that's it for today. Let's all meet with a new video in the coming episode.